So you're eating clean, you're doing everything right, you're trying to move your body, you're taking supplements, you're doing all the things that everybody's told you to do, yet you're still tired, you're still bloated, you're still feeling off balanced. Do you want to know something really important? It is not you. It's not your fault. Your body is not broken. It's just trying to tell you something. Our bodies were created to heal themselves. And you've just not been given the right tools. But I have something special for you. I am Mary Hanley. I am a functional nutritionist, an RBTI specialist, and a mom of 6. I have worked with many teens, many moms, postpartum, menopause, so many things like infertility frustrations. So many women are struggling with these hormone type effects, and it's not their fault. All these struggles with all the hormone and the chaos and the inflammation and the fertility, I have found over and over again in so many people, but I've been able to help them in a very mighty way. I created a system over the past 15 years that has become a standard for helping women in these cases. It's called the Hormone Reset VIP system. It's a complete full body, full support experience that helps you to get to the root of the problem and to be able to really find out what is causing this imbalance in your body. It's a gentle detox to help your body in the right way to do the things it's supposed to be doing and to reset your hormones naturally without any meds, without any guessing, and to be able to help it function the way God intended it to. Inside the program, you will get personalized testing, an analysis, a one-on-one session with me, full 21-day hormone reset program, 3 months of support, meal plans, supplements, guides, detox pathways and plans, and private access to me to ask questions at any time whenever you need it. It's worth over $2,500, but right now you can get it for $997. I'm only opening up 15 spots for this month simply because I do not want you to feel like you're kind of one of the masses. I want you to feel special and to feel seen and heard and understood and be able to really work one-on-one with you. This is a great opportunity for you to be able to take advantage of something that very few people get the opportunity to do, or to even understand what this really truly means. If you're tired of guessing, if you've gone through all the things and you can't get the answers that you're looking for, if you want more answers and you want to understand what is at the root of all of this, if you're ready to feel stronger and clearer and confident again, then click below and join me this month for this amazing opportunity. You don't have to do this alone. Your body is created to heal itself. Let's reset your hormones and do this together and be able to help you to feel the very best that you can feel every single day. I will talk to you soon.